Welcome friends. So today we will see one of the passage from Cambridge 19. Okay. Cambridge 19 Test 1 Reading Passage 2. You should spend about 20 minutes on question 14 to 26 which are based on reading passage 2 below. So this is the title, The Pirates of the Ancient Mediterranean. Okay. So what do you mean by pirates? Pirates means a person who attacks ships in order to steal from them. Okay. And this is the subtitle. In the first and second millennia BCE, pirates sailed around the Mediterranean, attacking ships and avoiding pursuers. What do you mean by pursuers? Pursuers means a person who is following and trying to catch somebody. Okay. So, and the sail around means travel around. Okay. Sail around means travel around. Okay. As we have seen from the title, we can get that in this paragraph we will see something regarding pirates. Okay. So we have to understand what the title is saying. Okay. The pirates of the ancient Mediterranean. As we are seeing, ABCD is mentioned here. So we will not take 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now let's quickly see the types of question. So the first type of question they are asking is Test 1 questions 14 to 19. Reading passage 2 has 7 paragraphs. Okay. A to G. 7 paragraphs. A to G. Which paragraph contains the following information? Okay. So this is the first type of question. Write the correct letter A to G in the boxes 14 to 19 on your answer sheet. Okay. Here NB is given. NB means you may use any letter more than once. Okay. So from A to G we can use one letter more than once. Okay. Any letter more than once. Okay. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there are 6. Which paragraph contains following information? Okay. So another question type is questions 20 and 21. Choose 2 letters A to E. This is, we have to select from this. We have to select 2 letters. Okay. Write the correct letter in boxes 20 and 21 on your answer sheet. So this is a type of double MCQ. Okay. Which 2 of the following statements does the writer make about inhabitants of the Mediterranean region in the ancient world? Okay. Inhabitants mean the person who the regional persons, okay, who live near the Mediterranean region. Okay. So we have to select from this A, B, C, D. We have to select 2 options. Okay. So that's why it is known as double MCQ. Okay. So now let's see another question type. Okay. So another question type is also double MCQ. Okay. Question 22 and 23. Choose 2 letters A to E. Write the correct letters in boxes 20 and 22 and 23 on your answer sheet. Which 2 of the following statement does the writer make about piracy and ancient Greece? Okay. So these are our keywords. Okay. So these are the options. We will read options afterwards. First let's see the types of questions first. And the last question type is, so this is our last question type. Okay. Questions 24 to 26. Complete the summary below. So this is our last question type. Choose one word only from the passage for each answer. Write your answer in boxes 24 to 26 on your answer sheet. Okay. So these are our types of question. So now let's quickly tick our or mark our keywords. Okay. So now let's quickly mark our keywords. Okay, so 14, a reference to a denial of involvement in piracy. Denial means refuse. Okay. 15, detail of how a campaign to eradicate piracy was carried out. Details, okay, of how a campaign means operation, okay, to eradicate means to eliminate piracy was carried out. Okay. 16, a mention of the circumstances. Circumstances means situations in which states in the ancient world would make use of pirates. Okay, make use of pirates. So we have to understand, okay, each question is important. We have to find a particular line, this particular line we have to find this particular line from paragraphs. Okay, so try to understand each line. 17, a reference to how people today commonly view pirates. Okay, a reference to how people today meant in present world, okay, today commonly view pirates. 18, an explanation of how some people were encouraged not to return to piracy. 19, a mention of the need for many sailing vessels to stay relatively close to land. Okay, so in 14 we have to find some reference to a denial of a reference to a denial of involvement in piracy. 15, detail of how campaigns to eradicate piracy was carried out. 16, a mention of the circumstances in which states in the ancient world would make use of pirates. Okay, use of pirates, how they are using pirates. Okay, so we have to find this. 17, a reference to how people today commonly view pirates. 18, an explanation of how some people were encouraged not to return to piracy. Okay, not to return. 19, a mention of the need for many sailing vessels to stay relatively close to the land. Sailing vessels. Okay, so these are our keywords. Now let's see our next question type. Which two of the following statements does the writer make about inhabitants of the Mediterranean region in the ancient world? A, they often use stolen vessels to carry out pirate attacks. Okay, often means frequently. Okay, use stolen vessels. Okay, so these are our keywords. B, they managed to escape capture by the authorities because they knew the area so well. They means pirates. They are talking about pirates. Okay. C, they paid for information about the routes merchant ship would take. C, they paid for information about the routes merchant ships would take. They depended more on the sea for their livelihood than on farming. They means pirates. Understand this. They means pirates. Pirates depended more on the sea for their livelihood than on farming. Okay. E, they stored many of the goods taken in pirate attacks in coves along the coastline. Okay. So what they are saying here? They are saying they stored many of the goods, okay, taken in pirate attacks in coves along the coastline. What do you mean by coves? Coves means a small sheltered part of an ocean coast. Okay, so coves means a small sheltered part of an ocean's coast. Okay, coast, coast. So these are our keywords. So now let's quickly mark our keywords in another questions. Okay. Which two of the following statement does the writer make about piracy and ancient Greece? Okay. A. The state estimated that very few people were involved in piracy. Okay. B. Attitude towards piracy changed shortly after the Iliad and Odyssey were written. Okay. C. Important officials were known to occasionally take part in piracy. Important officials are known to occasionally take part in piracy. What this sentence means the important officials are also involved in piracy. Okay. D. Every citizen regarded pirate attacks on cities as unacceptable. Okay. E. A favorable view of piracy is evident in certain ancient Greek texts. Okay. A favorable view means they are glorifying piracy. Okay. Okay. A favorable view of piracy is evident, means is present. Okay. A favorable view of piracy is evident in certain ancient Greek texts. Okay. So some texts are glorifying the pirates. Okay. So these are our keywords. So now let's look for the summary. Okay. Title is Ancient Rome and Piracy. Piracy was an issue ancient Rome had to deal with, but it also brought some benefits for Rome. Okay, benefits for Rome. For example, pirates supplied slaves that were important for Rome's industries. However, attacks on vessels transporting dash to Rome resulted in calls for dash for the pirates responsible. Okay. Nevertheless, piracy continued, with some pirates demanding a dash for the return of the Roman officials they captured. Okay. They captured means they kidnapped. Okay. So let's quickly read our paragraphs and find our answers. So friends, now let's read the paragraphs. Paragraph A. When one mentions pirates, an image springs to most people's mind of a crew of misfits. Okay, so what do you mean by misfits? Misfits means a person who is not accepted by other people, especially because of his or her behavior or ideas. Okay. People's mind of a crew of misfits, daredevils and adventurers in command of a tall sailing ship in the Caribbean Sea. Okay. Yet from the first to the third millennium BCE, thousands of years before, these swashbucklers began spreading fear across the Caribbean. Swashbucklers means a person who engages in daring and romantic adventures with bravado. Okay. Began spreading fear across the Caribbean. Pirates prowled. What do you mean prowled? Prowled means move about restlessly. Okay. And especially in search of prey. Okay. Pirates prowled the Mediterranean, raiding merchant ships and threatening vital trade routes. What do you mean by vital? Vital means very important route. Okay. Trade route means business route. Okay. However, despite all efforts and the might of various ancient states, piracy could not be stopped. Okay, the situation remained unchanged for thousands of years. Only when the pirates directly threatened the interests of ancient Rome did the Roman Republic organize a massive fleet. What do you mean by massive fleet? Massive means a large and heavy. Massive means large and heavy, and fleet means a group of vehicles or ship. Okay. So to eliminate piracy means to completely remove the piracy, to completely eliminate piracy. Okay. The situation remained unchanged for thousands of years. Only when the pirate directly threatened the interests of ancient Rome did the Roman Republic organize a massive fleet to eliminate piracy. Under the command of the Roman general Pompey, Rome eradicated piracy. Okay, transforming the Mediterranean into Mare Nostrum, means our sea. Okay, so in this paragraph they are saying that Roman interests of ancient Roman did the Roman Republic organize a massive fleet to eliminate piracy. Okay, so now let's read our questions. So, a reference to a denial in an involvement of piracy. No, in A, this thing has not come. 15. Details of how a campaign to eradicate piracy was carried out. In A paragraph, they are saying that an operation is carried out, but there is details is not given in A paragraph. Okay. Details of how campaign to eradicate piracy was carried out. No, in A paragraph details of campaign is not given. Okay, so we will eliminate this also. 16. A mention of the circumstances in which states in the ancient world would make use of pirates. Okay, so in A paragraph we didn't see any kind of situation in which they can use the pirates. Okay, so we will eliminate 16 also. 17. A reference to how people today commonly view pirates. A reference, just a reference, okay, to how people today commonly view pirates today. Okay. 18. An explanation of how some people were encouraged not to return to piracy. So this thing also we have not seen. Okay. 19. A mention of the need for the many sailing vessels to stay relatively close to land. So these two things also we have not seen. Okay, a reference to how people today commonly view pirates. I think we have seen 17 in A paragraph. Okay, so now let's confirm. Okay, so this is the paragraph A. We have seen. Okay. When one mentions pirates, an image springs to most people's mind of a crew of misfit daredevils and adventurers in command of a tall sailing ship in the Caribbean Sea. Okay. Yet from the 1st to the 3rd million BCE, thousands of years before the swashbuckler began spreading fear across the Caribbean, pirates prowled the Mediterranean, raiding merchant ships and threatening vital trade routes. Okay, so from this line we are getting our answer. So this is the personality of the pirates. Okay, in today's world. Okay, when one mention pirates, and image means, what do you mean by image? Image means view. Okay, an image spring and view spring to the most people's minds of a crew of misfits, daredevils and adventurers in command of a tall sailing ship in the Caribbean Sea. Okay, so we are getting our first answer, 17. So a reference to how people today commonly view pirates. Okay, in A paragraph this has been given. Okay, so now let's quickly read our B paragraph. So, B paragraph. Although piracy in the Mediterranean is first recorded, okay, In ancient Egypt during the reign of Pharaoh Amenhotep III from 1390 BCE to 1353 BCE. From 1353 to 1390 BCE. Okay, it is reasonable to assume it predated. What do you mean by predated? Predated means exist or occur at a date earlier than. Okay, predated means exist or occur at a date earlier than. Okay. It is reasonable to assume it predated this powerful civilization. This is partly due to the great importance the Mediterranean held at this time and partly due to its geography. Okay. So what they are saying, this is partly due to the great importance the Mediterranean held at this time. Okay, and partly due to its geography. While the Mediterranean region is predominantly fertile, some parts are rugged and hilly, even mountainous. Okay, what do you mean by rugged? Rugged means having a broken, rocky or uneven surface. Okay, in the ancient times, the inhabitants of these areas relied heavily on marine resources, including fish and salt. Okay, in ancient time, the inhabitants of these areas, okay, relied heavily on marine resources, including fish and salt. Okay, so this is the important line. Most had their own boats, possessed good seafaring skills. Okay, what do you mean by seafaring skills? Seafaring skills means skills needed to navigate a vehicle through water, especially while working on a ship or boat. Okay, and unsurpassed knowledge of the local coastline and sailing routes. Unsurpassed knowledge means excellent knowledge, okay, of the local coastline and sailing routes. Okay, so these inhabitants of the inhabitants of this place, they have excellent knowledge of the local coastline and sailing routes. Okay, thus it is not surprising that during hardship these men turn to piracy. Okay, so during hardship, okay, these men turn to piracy. Geography itself further benefited the pirates. Geography also itself further benefited the pirates with the numerous coves. Numerous means many. Coves means, as I have said earlier, coves means a small sheltered part of an ocean coast. Okay, along the coast, providing places for them to hide their boat and strike undetected. Okay, strike undetected means strike unnoticed. Okay, before the invention of ocean going caravel. What do you mean by caravel? Caravel means a light sailing ship, okay, of the 15th, 16th or 17th century. Okay, in the 15th century, ship could not easily cross long distances over open water. Thus, in the ancient world, most were restricted to a few well-known navigable routes. Okay, navigable means able to be sailed on ship or boats. Okay, thus in ancient world, most were restricted to a few well-known navigable routes that followed the coastline. Caught in a trap, a slow merchant ship laden with goods, laden means loaded, loaded with goods, had no other option but to surrender. In addition, knowledge of the local area helped the pirates to avoid retaliation. What do you mean by retaliation? Retaliation means counter-attack. Okay, once a state fleet arrived. Okay, in addition, knowledge of the local area helped the pirates to avoid retaliation. Retaliation means counter-attack. Once a state fleet arrived. Okay, so now let's see our questions. So a reference to a denial, no, we have not seen anything regarding denial. Details of how a campaign to eradicate piracy was carried out, no, we have not seen this also. A mention of the circumstances in which states in the ancient world would make use of pirates, we have not seen this use of pirates. Okay, so 17 we have done. 18, an explanation of how some people were encouraged not to return to piracy, so these also we have not seen. 19, a mention of the need for many sailing vessels to stay relatively close to land. Okay, sailing vessels means boat, they are talking about boat. So a mention of the need for many sailing vessels to stay relatively close to land. Okay, I think we have seen this. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's see what they are saying. So a mention of the need of many sailing vessels. Sailing vessels means boat, they are talking about boat. Okay, so let's see. From here, in the ancient times, the inhabitants of these areas relied heavily on marine resources, including fish and salt. Most had their own boats, means most people have their own boats, possessed good sea surfing skills and unsurpassed knowledge of the local coastline and sailing routes. Thus, it is not surprising that during hardship these men turned to piracy. Geography itself further benefited the pirates, with the numerous coves along the coast providing places for them to hide their boats. Okay, and strike undetected. Along the coast means along near the land. Along the coast means near the land. Okay, so this is very important. Along the coast means near the land or close to land. Okay, so what in question, what they are asking, a mention of the need for many sailing vessels. Boat means boat to stay relatively close to land. Close to land means along the coastline. Okay, so in 19 we found our answer. Okay, so in B paragraph, so we will write B here. Okay, so we have completed our 2 paragraphs, A and B, and we have found 2 answers. Okay, so in first paragraph we found a reference to how people today commonly view pirates, and in B paragraph we found a mention of the need for many sailing vessels to stay relatively close to land. Okay, so now let's quickly read the C paragraph. Okay, one should also add that it was not known in the first and second millennia BCE for government to resort to pirates. Okay, pirate services, especially during wartime, employing their skills and numbers against their opponents. So here what they are saying, they are using pirates, they are employing pirates. Okay, and using their skills. Okay, using their skills and number against their opponents. Okay, a pirate fleet would serve in the first. A pirate fleet means A group of pirates would serve in the first wave of attack, okay, preparing the way for the navy. Some of the regions were known for providing safe harbor. Safe harbor means safe place on the coastline, okay. Safe harbor means safe place along the coastline to pirates, who in return boosted the local economy. Okay. So in this paragraph what they are saying, they are using pirates, okay, during the war time, okay. They are using pirate fleet in the first wave of attack, preparing the way for the navy. Okay. So now let's find our question. 14, a reference to a denial of involvement in piracy. No, we are not getting anything like this. 15, details of how a campaign to eradicate piracy was carried out. No, we are not getting any campaign. Details of campaign, okay. 16, a mention of the circumstances. Circumstances means situation in which states in the ancient world would make use of pirates. Okay, this we got it, okay. Use of pirates we have just seen, okay. In C paragraph we have seen here, okay. Employing their skills. Their skills means pirates skills, okay. They are saying one should also add that it was not unknown in the first and second millennia BCE for government of the state, okay, to resort to pirate services, especially during wartime. Employing their skill means pirate skills and numbers against their opponents. A pirate fleet would serve in the first wave of attack, preparing the way for the navy, okay. So we are getting our answer. So in 16, a mention of the circumstances in which state in the ancient world would make use of pirates, okay. So C will come here. Try to understand what they are asking and what they are saying, okay. Try to understand this. So now let's quickly read our next paragraph, D, okay. So now let's quickly read it. Our D paragraph. The first D paragraph. The first known record of a named group of Mediterranean pirates made during the rule of ancient Egyptian Pharaoh Akhenaten from 1336 BCE to 1353 CE was in the Amarna letters, okay. So this is some kind of language they are saying, okay. These were extracts of diplomatic correspondence between the Pharaoh and his allies, okay. So Pharaoh and his alliance means Pharaoh and his supporters, okay, and covered many pressing issues including piracy. It seems the Pharaoh was troubled by two distinct pirate groups. Two distinct pirate groups mean two different pirate groups, okay. Two different pirate groups, the Lucca and the Sheridan, okay. So these are the two pirate groups. Despite the Egyptian fleet's best effort, the pirates continued to cause substantial disruption. What do you mean by substantial disruption? Means damage in large amount, okay. Disruptions means spoil or disturb, okay. Substantial means in large amount, okay. Damage in large amount. Cause damage in large amount to regional commerce. Regional commerce means buying and selling of goods between towns within a specific area, okay. Means trade. In simple language, business, okay. So they continue to cause large damage to regional trade, okay. In the letters, the king of Alasia, modern Cyprus, rejected Akhenaten's claim of a connection with the Lucca based in modern day Turkey. Okay, so what they are saying in the letters, the king of Alasya rejected Akhenaten's claim. Reject means, what do you mean by rejected? Means deny the Akhenaten claims, okay, of a connection with the Lucca. The king assured Akhenaten he was prepared to punish any of his subjects involved in piracy. Okay, so in this entire paragraph we are getting two things, two distinct pirate groups, and deny. Rejected means to refuse the claims, okay, of a connection with the Lucca. So now let's quickly read our questions. So 14, a reference to a denial of involvement in piracy. Yes, we have got our answer. 14, a reference to denial means the same thing we have just read, okay, here. Reject means refusal, okay, refused. In the letters, the king of Alasya refused Akhenaten's claim of a connection with the Lucca. Lucca means he is a pirate group, okay, a pirate group, okay, a pirate group. So what in question they are asking? A reference to a denial of involvement in piracy. Okay, in 14 we will write D. Okay, the same thing they are saying here in this paragraph, okay, that the king of Alasya rejected means denial, okay, deny Akhenaten's claim of a connection with the pirate group Lucca. Okay, so they have done very good paraphrasing here. Try to understand the words, okay. So now let's quickly read our E paragraph. E. The ancient Greek world's experience of piracy was different from that of Egyptian rulers, okay. The ancient Greek world experience of piracy was different from that of Egyptian rulers, okay. So here two different things are given, okay, Greek and Egyptian rulers. While Egypt's power was land-based, okay, the ancient Greeks relied on Mediterranean in almost all the aspects of life, from trade to warfare. Interestingly, in his works, the Iliad and the Odyssey, the ancient Greek writer Homer not only condones but praises the lifestyle and actions of the pirates. Okay, so here they are saying about some, if they are saying writer means these are the books. In his works, these are the books, the Iliad and the Odyssey. The ancient Greek writer Homer not only condones, what do you mean by condones? Condones means to glorify, to accept or agree with something that most people think is wrong, okay, but praises the lifestyle and actions of the pirates. Okay, here they are glorifying the pirates. Glorifying the pirates. In this paragraph, they are saying, so in this paragraph, they are glorifying the pirates, okay. The opinion remained unchanged in the following centuries. The ancient Greek historians, Thelu, so the ancient Greek historian Thucydides, for instance, glorified pirates, daring attacks on ships or even cities, okay. For Greeks, piracy was a part of everyday life. Okay, so this is an important line. We will just star here. Even high-ranking members of the state were not beyond engaging in such activities. So what they are saying? They are saying even the high ranking members of the state were not beyond, means were involved in such activities, means they are also involved in piracy. High ranking members of the state are also involved in piracy. Okay, according to the Greek orator Demosthenes, in 355 BCE, Athenian ambassador made a detour. What do you mean by detour? Detour means a long or roundabout route that is taken to avoid something. Okay, so he has made a detour. Okay, another route to avoid piracy from their official travel to capture a ship sailing from Egypt, taking the wealth found on board for themselves. The Greek liberal approach towards piracy does not mean they always tolerated it, okay, but attempts to curtail piracy, curtail means reduce, okay, but attempts to curtail piracy were hampered, okay, by the large number of pirates operating in the Mediterranean. Hampered means to make difficult, means difficult. To make something difficult. Okay, so in this paragraph we have seen so many things. First thing is they are glorifying the pirates. Second, they make another route, okay, to capture a sailing ship. Okay, and here the Greek liberal approach. So we have seen three different things in the same paragraph. Okay, so now let's see what questions they are asking. So the remaining questions are 15. Details of how a campaign to eradicate piracy was carried out. So we are not getting any detail of any campaign. Okay, 16, we have done 16 also. Okay, only 18 is remaining and 15 is remaining. 18, an explanation of how some people were encouraged not to return to piracy. Okay, here we are not getting any detail of any campaign, and also we are not getting any explanation of how some people were encouraged not to return to piracy. Okay, so we will move forward towards our next paragraph, that is F. Okay, so now let's quickly read it. The rising power of ancient Rome required the Roman Republic to deal with piracy in the Mediterranean. While the piracy was a serious issue for the Republic, Rome profited greatly from its existence. Okay, but Rome get benefited from existence means Rome get profited greatly from pirates. Okay, pirate raids provided a steady source of slaves. Okay, pirates raid provide a steady source of slaves essential for Rome's agriculture and mining industries. Okay, but this arrangement would work only while the pirates left Roman interest alone. Pirate attacks on grain ships, which were essential to Roman citizens. Okay, which were essential to Roman citizens, led to angry voices in the Senate demanding punishment of the culprits. Rome, however, did nothing, further encouraging piracy. Rome is encouraging piracy. Okay, by the 1st century BCE, emboldened pirates kidnapped prominent Roman dignitaries, asking for a large ransom to be paid. Their most famous hostage was none other than Julius Caesar, captured in 75 BCE. Okay, so in this paragraph they are saying we are getting two things. that Rome profited greatly from its existence. Pirate trade provides steady source of slaves. Okay. Pirate attacks on grain ships. Okay. Grain ships, which were essential to Roman citizens. And another thing is they kidnap prominent Roman dignitaries. Okay, asking for a large ransom. So these three things we are getting in the same paragraph. So now let's see our question. So details of how a campaign to eradicate piracy was carried out. No, we are not getting anything like this. 18, an explanation of how some people were encouraged not to return to piracy. So this thing also we are not getting. So we will move forward towards our G paragraph. Okay. So by now Rome was well aware that pirates had outlived their usefulness. Okay, outlived means to live longer, means to exist longer. Okay, their usefulness. The time had come for concerted action. Okay, concerted action means coordinated action. In 67 BC, a new law granted Pompey vast funds to combat the Mediterranean menace. Okay, so what they are saying? They are saying that by now Rome was well aware that pirates had outlived their usefulness. The time had come for concerted action, means coordinated action. In 67 BC, a new law granted Pompey's vast fund to combat means to fight against the Mediterranean menace means danger. Okay, Mediterranean, to combat the Mediterranean danger. Okay, or a threat. Taking personal command, Pompey divided the entire Mediterranean into 13 districts, assigning a fleet and a commander to each. Okay, a commander to each. After cleansing one district of pirates, the fleet would join another in the next district. Okay. The process continued until the entire Mediterranean was free of pirates. Although thousands of pirates died at the hands of Pompey's troops. Thousands of pirates died at the hands of Pompey's troops. As a long-term solution to the problem, many more were offered land, okay, in fertile areas located far from the sea. So many pirates were offered land in fertile areas located far from the sea. Instead of a maritime menace, what do I mean? Maritime menace means connected with sea. Okay, Rome got productive farmers that further boosted its economy. Okay, so now let's see our questions. So in 15, details of how campaign to eradicate piracy was carried out. Yes, we are getting the same thing. Okay, in G we have seen this. And an explanation of how some people are encouraged not to return piracy. Okay, and an explanation of how some people were encouraged not to return to piracy means they offer land. Okay, they offer land. So G will come here. So in both 15 and 18, G will come. Okay, so now let's confirm. So what they are saying, in 18 they are saying an explanation of how some people were encouraged not to return to piracy means many more were offered land in fertile areas located far from the sea, means many pirates were offered land in fertile areas located far from the sea. Okay, so the same thing they are saying, an explanation of how some people were encouraged not to return to piracy. An explanation of how means they are giving land to pirates. Okay, so the same thing, they are encouraging not to return to piracy. And here in 15, details of how a campaign to eradicate piracy was carried out. Okay, So they have make Pompey divide the entire Mediterranean into 13 districts, assigning a fleet and a commander to each. After cleansing one district of pirate, the fleet would join another in the next district. Okay, so this is the campaign. So this is the operation which Pompey has carried out. Okay, so the same thing, details of how a campaign to eradicate piracy was carried out. Okay, so the same thing is given. Okay, so now let's move towards our double MCQ. So let's see what they are saying. So let's see. Which two of the following statements does the writer make about inhabitants of the Mediterranean region in the ancient world? A. They often use stolen vessels to carry out pirates' attack. No, in the all paragraph we have not seen anything that they are stolen vessel, means stolen, they are stealing any boat. Okay, so these thing we can eliminate. Okay. B. They managed to escape capture by the authorities because they knew the area so well. They means pirates. Yes, pirates managed to escape capture by the authorities because they knew the area so well. Yes, this will come. C. They paid for information about the routes merchant ships would take. No, we have not seen any kind of thing that they are getting any kind of information. Okay, so we will eliminate this also. D. They depended more on the sea for their livelihood than on farming. Yes, pirates, the people who are living near the Mediterranean region, they mostly depend on sea for their livelihood. Okay, like fishing. Okay, we have seen this. Okay, so yes, this will come. E. They stored many of the goods taken in pirates' attack in coves along their coastline. No, because in coves they are just hiding their boats, and pirates are hiding their boats and they hide themselves. They are not hiding any kind of goods there. Okay, so we will eliminate this also. Okay, I hope you understand this. Try to understand what they are asking. Okay, so now let's quickly read our another question that was also double MCQ. Okay, so writer make about piracy and Greece. Okay, which of the following statement does the writer make piracy and ancient Greece? A. The state estimated that very few people were involved in piracy. So we have not seen anything like that. Okay, so we can eliminate this also. B. Attitudes towards piracy changed shortly after the Iliad and Odyssey were written. No, nothing has changed. Okay, after the writing, nothing has been changed. Okay, so we will eliminate these also. So now let's quickly read our important officials were known to occasionally take part in piracy. Yes, so many important persons are also involved in piracy. So the same thing is given. Yes. D. Every citizen regarded pirate attack on cities as unacceptable. Okay, they are not saying that it was honor because they know that. So let's see this. Okay, first. So we have not seen anything like this also. Okay, every citizen regarded pirate attacks on cities as unacceptable. So we have not seen anything like this. Okay, so we will eliminate these also. E. A favorable view of piracy is evident in certain ancient Greek texts. Okay, yes, we have seen this line. Okay, so we have seen this line in here. Okay, so what they are saying. Okay, so a favorable view of piracy is evident in certain ancient Greek texts means what they are saying. So here that this thing, interestingly, in his work The Iliad and Odyssey, the ancient Greek writer Homer not only condones but praises the lifestyle and action of the pirates. Means they are glorifying the pirates in Greek, the Greek writer. Okay. So the same thing is given. Greek writer, the ancient Greek writer means they are writing something in Greek. Okay. So the same thing is given here. A favorable view of piracy is evident in certain ancient Greek texts. Okay. So we have found our answers. So now just only summary is remaining. So let's quickly read it. So piracy was an issue ancient Rome has to deal with, but it also brought some benefits for Rome. For example, pirates supplied slaves, yes, that were important for Rome's industry. However, attack on vessels transporting. So we have seen this. So this. However, pirates attacks on grain ships which were essential to Roman citizens. Okay. However, attack on vessel transporting grains to Rome resulted in call for death. Okay. So pirates attack on grain ships which were essential to Roman citizens. Okay, led to angry voices in the Senate demanding punishment. Okay, demanding punishment of the culprits. Okay, so we are getting our answers. However, attack on vessels transporting grains to Rome resulted in call for punishment for the pirates responsible. Okay. Nevertheless, piracy continued with some pirates demanding a death for the return of the Roman official they captured. Okay. Punishment of the culprits. Rome, however, did nothing further encouraging piracy. By the 1st century BCE, emboldened pirates kidnapped prominent Roman dignitaries asking for the large ransom to be paid. Okay. So yes, we are getting our answer. Demanding a ransom for the return of the Roman officials they captured. Okay. So now here we have completed our entire passage of Cambridge 19. Okay. I hope you understand well. If you are not getting any answer, if you are not understanding any question, then you can comment me in the comment box. Okay. So, and stay tuned for the words which we have seen. So many new words which we have seen in this passage. So I will upload another video for the words and their meanings. Okay, which we have seen in this passage. Okay, the pirates of the ancient Mediterranean.